Hi friends, Sarah here with Boho Stitchery, and it is Monday, so it's time for Make and Knit Monday. So if you want to learn how to knit, grab some needles and some yarn and join me for Making It Monday.
I'm going to show you how to knit the garter stitch today. Garter stitch is a very simple, very easy, very beginner friendly stitch. It's a 1 row repeat. So all you do is knit every stitch, every row, and it creates a beautiful texture like this. So it's very, it's got just a nice stretchy texture, works great for blankets, headbands, basically anything you want to make out of it. The sky's the limit. So let's get started. So I've already started a swatch. I've cast it on 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14 stitches, and I've knit a few rows. So 1 row back and forth is what creates this texture. So you get these, it looks like pearl bumps, but if you stretch it out, you'll see you have your V's in between. And it's very, very easy. So to do the garter stitch, all you do is knit every row. So through the front, around the back, pull your back needle to the front, and transfer it. Very simple. So I will knit a few rows here so you guys can see how this turns out. And I've done so many projects with this. I've made scarves, I've made blankets, you can make headbands, you can do hats, if you knit them flat and seam up the sides and the top. Really anything you can imagine. And I'm just using some 4-ply worsted weight yarn from Big Twist, I believe. It's kind of a pretty lavender color. So I've gotten 1 row done. Let me see if I can zoom back a little bit. And that's it. You're just going to do back and forth rows. We'll do a couple more stitches here. Kind of work with you to the end of this row. And then last week I showed you how I finish off each row to keep it from curling and creating a nice neat chain stitch along the edge. I'll show you with this. You can do that for any pattern, really. Okay, so you're down to your last stitch. Slip the yarn in the front like you're going to purl, and slide the stitch from the left needle to the right needle. Put your yarn to the back and turn. And then you can keep knitting, but when you do that, it creates this nice, beautiful, flat chain stitch edge. And that works really well if you're going to be joining your work or sewing it, you know, like if you make squares using this pattern, which I've done that also. I've knit long strips, and then I've slip stitched it together along the edge with the next strip. And I may show you guys how I do that in another tutorial later on, but it makes really neat, thick blankets, and it creates a beautiful scrappy pattern. But that's it. That's how you do the garter stitch. Any multiple of stitches, doesn't matter. You can cast on 10 or 100. It really doesn't matter. So happy knitting, and I will see you guys next week for more Make and Knit Monday. Please remember to like and subscribe to my channel and leave a nice comment below, and I hope to see you guys next week. Thanks for stopping by.